Good day, grade 8 students and other viewers. It's me again, Ma'am Jen Fonteras, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's lesson, we are now in second quarter week 3 of Mathematics 8 entitled Relations and Functions. So our goal for today are to illustrate a relation and function, to verify if a given relation is a function, to determine dependent and independent variables. Okay, so meron ako ditong illustration, meron ako ditong picture ng chicken na may apat na sisiyo. So sa question, is it possible na yung isang sisiyo ay magkaroon ng more than one mother hen? Dalawa yung mother hen niya, biological mother hen. So the answer is no, hindi pwede. Right? Okay, so bakit? Siyempre, hindi pwede. Okay? Siyempre, ang ano natin, bawat isa is meron lang isang unique na parent. Okay? Bawat isa sa atin meron lang isang unique na parent. Okay? So here, a hen to its chicks is an example of relation. So ito yung example natin ng relation. Okay? So a relation defines the relationship between sets of values of ordered pairs. Okay? But a chick to hen or chicks to hen is an example of function. Highlight ko lang po. A chick to hen or chicks to hen is an example of function. So pag sinabi natin function, it is a relation which describes that there should be only one output for each input. Yan. Isang output, isang input. Isang unique na input, isang unique na output. Okay. So here, we have a diagram na meron tayo ditong relation. Sa loob ng relation, mayroong function. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin lang nito, nanotik po tayo. Ibig sabihin lang nito, lahat ng functions ay relation. Lahat ng functions natin ay relations. Pero hindi lahat ng relations ay functions. Okay? So pag sinabi natin relation, it could be one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. Pero si function ay nalilimitahan lang kay one-to-many, nalilimitahan lang kay one-to-one at saka kay many-to-one. So ito yung pinaka tinatandaan ko. Pag function can be one-to-one and many-to-one. Balikan natin yung chicken. Kaya relation si chicken kasi po many-to-one siya. Tama? Ay one-to-many pala siya. Sorry. Si chicken, ito, si mother hen, hindi ko ma-drawing yan. Si mother hen, doon sa kanyang mga chicks, yan ay one-to-many. Wait lang. Ito po. Ito kasi ay one-to-many. Kaya ito ay relation. Pero, kapag chicks going to hen, sila ay many-to-one. So, ito ngayon ay function. Bakit? Halimbawa, ito si chicken, si sisiw A, tsaka si sisiw B, si sisiw C. Bawa, ito si A, hindi kita, sorry. Yan. Sorry, hindi kita. Sige, para mas ma-explain natin. Ito si sisiw A, isa lang ang nanay niya. Ito. Si chicken. Si chicken. Ito, basta si chicken yan. Chicken. Si mother chicken. Si B, isa lang din ang nanay niya. Si mother chicken. Si C, ito rin. Tsaka si D. So, ibig sabihin, function pa rin siya. Kasi in every input or in every isang entry, meron silang iisang unique na output or unique na partner. Okay. So, halimbawa, si A, chicken. Si B, si mother chicken. Si C, si chicken uli. So, ganun lang uli. Si chicken. Si D, tsaka si chicken. Yan. So, kaya sila ay function. Yung mga chicken, ay yung mga chicks to hen. Ito. I-chick to hen or chicks to hen is an example of function. Kasi pagka tiningnan mo sila individually, isa-isa, although marami sila, pero pag tiningnan mo isa-isa, meron silang isang unique na partner. Okay? Yan. So, clear natin. Next. Oops. Yan. So, let's proceed on this one. So, may tatlong paraan para malaman kung function. Okay? Para ma-test natin kung ang given ay function. So, halimbawa, itong mga set of points na to. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Okay. So, the first step, pwede tayong mag-mapping. So, pag ginawa natin itong mapping, magdodrawing ka lang ng dalawang oblong dito or dalawang circle. Tapos, ililista mo lang ulit, i-rewrite mo lang. So, ito ay XY. So, lahat ng X entry, nilagay natin dito, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yan. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yung Y naman, nilagay natin dito, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, lahat ng Y, lahat ng Y, lahat ng Y. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, mapapansin nyo, yung arrow, lahat sila isa lang ng partner. So, ito ay 1 to 1. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay function. Pag nakita niyo yung arrow na isa lang yung pinuntahan from mula doon sa isa't isa, ibig sabihin, this is function. Ito naman, pag ginawa nating table, iaayos mo lang siya. So, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kung mapapansin nyo, walang repetition. Pag walang repetition sa Y, pag walang repetition sa Y, ibig sabihin, this is function. Function din yan. Wala tayong naulit na Y value. Ngayon, ito naman, by graphing. Sa graphing, iaano mo lang siya, ipa-plot mo lang. So, katulad nito, pinlot natin. So, last quarter, nag-plot naman tayo. So, ipa-plot nyo lang ito. Tapos, you're going to draw a line. Yan. Drawing tayo ng line. Tapos, what you're going to do next is to draw a vertical line, vertical broken line. Pag yung vertical broken line na yan, dumaan sa line only once, pag isang beses lang siya dumaan, this is a function. Ang tawag natin dito ay vertical line test. Function po siya. Yan. So that is a function. Okay, again, there are three ways para malaman kung function, that is mapping, table of values, and graphing. Again, ang function ay limited only sa 1-to-1 at many-to-1. Pag wala dun sa dalawa, relation yon. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. So pag hindi 1-to-1 at many-to-1, ibig sabihin relation siya. Okay, next. Let's have this one. My second example. Ay, sorry. Ito po. This is my second example. Yan. 1-to-1 because X values has only one corresponding values. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ito, ang sabi natin kanina dapat in every input, may isang input. Sa bawat isang input, mayroon lamang isang output. Right? Okay. O kaya, pag hindi niya matandaan to, si function dapat ay 1-to-1, kaya many-to-1. Kaya lang kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya 1-to-1, ito lang po yung 1-to-1 natin, at lalong hindi rin po ito many-to-1, this part. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya 1-to-1, hindi siya many-to-1, Hindi lahat, dapat kasi lahat, kaya lang sumablay tayo dito sa negative 2 natin. So therefore, ito ay relation. Kasi hindi siya 1 to 1, hindi rin many to 1. Okay? So relation. So paano natin i-verify kapag naka-table of values? Sa table of values, gagawa lang po kayo ng x and y. Tapos halimbawa ito negative 2, dahil naulit yung negative 2 dito, so naglagay pa ako uli ng negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, tsaka 2. So this will be negative 1, 2, 2, 4. So kung nakita ninyo, nagkaroon po tayo ng repetition dito. Right. Yan. Nagkaroon tayo ng repetition dito, okay lang yon. Pero, tingnan nyo po sa taas, meron din siyang repetition. So ito yung hindi pwede. Yan. So this is also relation. Kasi nagkaroon ka ng repetition sa x. Okay. So ito ay relation kasi nagkaroon tayo ng repetition sa x. So here, dito naman, ipa-plot lang natin ito. So ito po yung naging results. This is 2, 4. This is negative 1, 2. Negative 2, 2. And negative 2, negative 1. So, i-connect lang natin. Hindi pa pantay. Wait lang, hindi pa pantay. Ito po. Connect natin. Yan. Ako, hindi pantay. Ito po. Yan. So, mag-drawing lang tayo ng vertical line test in any parts of the line. So, pagdating natin dito, 2 points po yung tatamaan niya. Yan lang. Pagdating natin dito, 2 points yung tatamaan niya. Yung negative 2, 2 at negative 2, negative 1. So therefore, ito po ay relation. Kasi twice siyang dumaan dun sa mismong graph. So let's have another example. So number 2 is relation. Bakit siya relation? Kasi many to 1. Tama. 1 to many pala. Ito. 1 to many. So number 2 is 1 to many. Number 1 is function 1 to 1. Ito naman ay 1 to many. Ito. Let's have number 3. Example 3 pa rin. This is example 2. Yeah. Okay. Let's have the third example. For the third example, we have negative 3, 0, negative 2, 1, 1, 4, and 3, 4. Yeah. So, again, dalawang klase ng function, 1 to 1 at many to 1. So, ito 1 to 1, ito ay many to 1. Tingnan nyo, isa lang yung pinuntahan nila. So, this is many to 1. Pero bakit pa rin siya function? Kasi in every input, there is a unique output. Yung input ang concern natin. In every x entry, there's only one y entry. There's only one y entry. Hindi katulad sa number 2 kanina, iisang x intercept, dalawa ang kanyang output. Dalawa ang kanyang entry. Isa ang entry niya, dalawa yung output. So relation siya. So dapat si function, isang input, isang output. Okay? Isang input, isang output lang. Okay, so let's solve this one. So ito, meron tayong repetition. Pero kung titignan natin yung sa x side natin, wala tayong repetition. Okay? So this is a function, many to one. Okay. Graphing. Sa graphing naman, ipa-plot nyo lang uli ito. Saan na ba yung mga nakita natin? Negative 3, 0. Ito yung negative 3, 0. Negative 2, 1. 1, 4. And 3, 4. So, i-connect lang natin. Tapos by using vertical line test, you're going to titingnan natin kung sila ay function. Yan. Okay. So any parts of the graph, obviously ito naman ay function. Yan. So they are function. Okay. So yun, summary ko lang, no. Ang function ay 1-to-1, 1-to-1, or ayusin natin yung sulat ko. 1-to-1, many-to-one, one input is equal to one output. Yan. Pag wala siya dyan, pag ang given ay wala dito sa tatlo, ibig sabihin relation po siya. Yan. Yan po. Okay. Halimbawa, one to many. Halimbawa ng relation, one to many, many to many. Okay? Yan. More input, one input, more output. Ganon. Okay? So that's relation. Now, let's proceed to dependent and independent variables. Medyo maiksi lang tong topic na to. Okay, so the three ways, ay tatlong paraan para malaman kung function. Pwede tayong mag-mapping, mag-table of values, tsaka graphing. Okay. So for dependent variables, sinabi nating dependent variables, these are the variables rely to other variables to find their value. Sila yung kailangan pa ng value para makuha yung value nila. And the independent do not rely on other variables. So here, parang baliktad to. Parang baliktad po ito. Wait lang ah. Okay. Yan. So, I look for a bit. Na-overlook ko yung kanina. So, ito na po yung tama. Okay, so x is always independent variable while y entries are always dependent variable. Yan. Okay, so let's say for example, I have here a table of values where x is consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, while y is consists of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, since kanina sa mga nakaraang lessons natin, no, ang value ng y ay nakadepende sa ating input. Okay? Ito kasi ang ating input, si x. At ito yung output. Yan. So therefore, ito yung ating dependent. At ito naman ang ating independent. Yan. Kaya if you're asked to identify the independent variables, I'm asking for the x entries, which are 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the dependent variables are the y entries, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kung ilalagay natin sa konteksto ng linear equation, halimbawa meron akong pattern na y equals to x. So kung ito yung x, para makuha ko si y, kailangan ko ng value ni x. Nakadepende siya sa value ni x. So let's say, ibibigay kong value ay 0, ang output natin ay 0. Kung ang ibibigay kong value ay 1, ang output ay 2. Kung ang ibibigay kong value ng x ay 2, kasi 2 times 2, ang output ay 4. Ito ay 2 times 1, 2 times 0. Kaya ganyan po. Ayan. Pag tinuloy natin yan, susundan lang natin yung pattern na 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Kasi 2x. Okay? Ayan. So dependent is always y-axis, is always y entries, and independent variable is always x entries. Ayan. Okay, so clear natin. Yan, so malinaw po. Yan, binago ko na. Binago ko na, mahirap magturo ng mali. Magkamabash tayo. Magkamali. Okay, so the same with this. Independent variables are -2, -1, and 2. So kahit na ulit po siya, i-address lang natin siya as 1. This one. So -2, -1, 2. So this will be dependent variables are -1, 2, and 4. Okay. So sa madaling salita, kung si independent variables ay x, ibig sabihin siya rin yung domain. Ayan. Independent variables, ito naman yung ating range. Ayan. Okay, para ano lang, para alam nyo lang, okay, technically. Okay, so let us try to answer this task that I prepared. Oops. Hi! Meron po kumakanta sa labas. Okay, ito pala. Okay, number 1, mother to children. That is relation. So ito ay relation. Children to mother, function. Spoon to fork, function. How about thread to needle? Function. Function also. Isang karayom lang sa bawat sinulid. Heart to human, syempre function. School ID to student, function din. Walang estudyante, dalawa ang ID niya, school ID. Driver to passengers. This is relation. Relation ano? One to many. Ito, sa children to mother pala, this is what? Many to one. Yung spoon to fork, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and 1 to 1 din. Passengers to driver, function. Kasi many to 1. This is many to 1. Car to wheels, relation. 1 to many. Age to person, age to person, function. Okay. Yan. For the second task, yun. Clear lang natin. For the second task, pwede tayong mag-mapping, table of values. So, sige, bigyan ko lang ng isang example to. Tapos kayo na sa 2 and 3, kung gusto nyo po. For mapping, dito tayo, x and y. So, dalawa ang 2, yan, sa ang 3. Kasi dalawa na yung 2 natin, dalawa rin na yung 3. Tapos, sa y, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2. Ilan ng 2? So, isang arrow. Dito naman, 3. So, ito ay hindi function. Pag ginawa naman natin ng table, we have 2, 2. So, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. So, meron tayong repetition ng x entry. Yan, may repetition tayo. Okay. Tapos, pag pinlat natin, ano itsura nito? Pinlat natin siya, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. 2, 1, 2, 2. Ito yon. So, 2, 1, 2, 2. Tapos, 3, 3, 3, 4. So, ito yung 3, ito yung 4. So, ito palang itsura niya. Yan. Yan. So, pag nag-vertical line test ka nga naman dito, dalawang points ang makukuha niya. Okay? Kaya siya relation. Okay? So, number 1 is a relation. Okay. So, dependent variables, independent variables are what? 2 and 3. Independent variables are, independent variables are 2 and 3 because we are dealing with the x entries. Y entries, dependent variables, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So, ganun lang siya gawin. Yung graph, pwede naman siyang i-plot eh. Ulitin natin yung graph baka. Yan. So, ito siya. 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. 3, 4. Ito yung 3. Yan, 3, 4. Wait lang. Dapat mas mataas pala siya. 3, 4. Yan. Wait lang. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Bakit kaya? So, 3. Yan. Oo, mas bababa kasi siya ng konti eh. So, ito yun. Yun. Bababa kasi ng konti yan. Tapos, pag nag-vertical line test kayo, makikita nyo, dadaanan niya ng 2 beses. Yan. Halimbawa ito. Yan. So, pakituwid na lang. So, relation pa rin siya. Okay, if you have, this will be the end of our session. If you have question, suggestion, you can put it on the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.